Welcome back to Nature Puzzles with Apple and Orange. Today, our fruity friends are diving deep into the forest to solve another nature mystery.
Hi, everyone. I'm Apple.
Hello, friends. I'm Orange.
Did you know that plants can communicate with each other?
That's right, Apple. But how do plants communicate?
Great question, Apple and Orange. Today, we're exploring how plants communicate. But first, let's root into a fun puzzle. How do plants mainly communicate with each other? A. By making sounds. B. Through chemical signals. C. By moving their leaves.
That's a puzzling one. What do you think, Orange?
I'm not sure, Apple. Let's give our friends a moment to think.
If you guessed through chemical signals, you're correct. Plants mainly communicate by releasing chemical signals.
Wow, that's amazing. So, how do these chemical signals work?
Good question, Apple. When a plant is under attack by pests, it releases chemicals into the air to warn nearby plants.
Exactly, Orange. These chemicals can prompt neighboring plants to produce their own defenses against pests.
Oh no. So, what other ways do plants communicate?
Plants also use their roots to send signals through a network of fungi in the soil, known as the Wood Wide Web.
That's right. This underground network helps plants share nutrients and information about their environment.
So, why is plant communication important?
Plant communication helps plants survive by allowing them to respond quickly to threats and share resources.
Exactly! It's a fascinating and essential part of how ecosystems function.
Thanks for exploring this leafy mystery with us, friends.
And don't forget to subscribe for more fun nature puzzles with Apple and Orange.
See you next time.